Masque of the Red Death by Edgar Allan Poe. The Red Death had long devastated the country. No pestilence had ever been so fatal, or so hideous. Blood was its avatar and its seal, the madness and the horror of blood. There were sharp pains and sudden dizziness, and then profuse bleeding at the pores with dissolution. The scarlet stains upon the body, and especially upon the face of the victim, were the pest ban which shut him out from the aid and from the sympathy of his fellow men. And the whole seizure, progress, and termination of the disease were incidents of half an hour. But Prince Prospero was happy and dauntless and sagacious. When his dominions were half depopulated, he summoned to his presence 1,000 hale and light-hearted friends from among the knights and dames of the court, and with these retired to the deep seclusion of one of his crenellated abbeys. This was an extensive and magnificent structure, a creation of the prince's own eccentric yet august taste. A strong and lofty wall girdled it in. This wall had iron gates. The courtiers, having entered, brought furnaces and massy hammers and welded the bolts. They resolved to leave no means of either ingress or egress to the sudden impulses of despair or frenzy from within.